Today we'll be exploring the extensive range of MONT MARTE signature paintbrush sets. This selection of sets come in a range which are specifically tailored to a variety of different mediums. With brush sets suited to acrylic, oil, watercolour or gouache, you'll be able to find the perfect set to suit your creative project. With short ergonomic handles, each brush is comfortable in your hand and easy to use. Each set is contained in a handy zip case, making it convenient for carting around. Simply put your brushes back in the elastic slots which hold them securely in place, fold up the case and zip it up. The case also helps extend the life of your brushes. This Tachlon Brush Set is a very popular set as it offers a great selection of 10 Taklon bristle brushes which are ideal for acrylic paints, but can also be used for watercolour and some oil painting techniques. The Taklon bristles are very soft, allowing for smooth painting applications as well as blending and achieving finer details. Up next is the Oil Hog Bristle Set. These are an ideal intro set for oil painting with an assortment of 10 hog hair bristle brushes. These bristles are stiff in comparison to the Taklon bristles, and the naturally stiff and dense hairs of the hog bristle lend themselves to working with thick buttery paints like oils. This gouache mixed bristle set is a combination of 10 hog hair and Taklon bristled brushes, giving you a variety of options when painting. This is a great intro set tailored to gouache painting. The Watercolour Brush Set is a handy selection of 10 natural haired bristled brushes, ideal for both watercolour and gouache painting techniques. These bristles are more absorbent, allowing them to hold more paint and water so you can create washes of paint on your paper. Also available is the 17-piece brush set with easel wallet. Like the name suggests, the included zipper wallet easily transforms into a brush easel in an instant. How convenient. This set boasts a variety of 15 high-quality Taklon bristle brushes and a palette knife, making it a great all-rounder set. A handy hint for brush set care: for oil paints, clean up using turpentine while the paint is wet. For acrylics, gouache and watercolour paints, while the paint is wet, clean up with warm soapy water and reshape the bristles when you're finished. To view all of these sets and plenty more, check out the links in the description of this video or visit our website, artshedonline.com.au. Thanks for watching and happy creating.